This type of skeleton educational video is going viral on YouTube right now. Creators are getting millions and millions of views from this simple format, and many of them are gaining hundreds of subscribers in a very short time. In my previous video, I explained how you can create these kinds of videos, but a lot of people commented saying that it requires using multiple tools and putting in a lot of effort. That's exactly why I went ahead and found a single AI tool that makes the entire process simple and easy. With the help of this one tool in ChatGPT, you can create high-quality skeleton educational videos without jumping between different platforms. These videos are not only performing well on YouTube, but they are also going viral on TikTok and Instagram. There are channels uploading this simple skeleton education content, and even with only around 15 videos, they are already gaining subscribers and pulling in millions of views on each upload. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create this type of video using just one AI tool in ChatGPT. So make sure you watch until the end, because only then will you understand the complete process and be able to achieve similar results. The video you are watching on your screen right now was created by me using only one AI tool along with ChatGPT, and the results turned out really good. By the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly how to create a complete skeleton educational video from start to finish. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. To create this type of video, the first step is to open the Google Doc link provided in the description below. If for any reason you are unable to find the prompt link, simply leave a comment and I will share it with you in the comments section. The prompt is extremely important because if you use the wrong prompt with AI, you will not get the same high-quality results. That is why I am giving you the exact prompt that I personally use. Once you open the Google Doc, you will see 3 complete prompts available there. You need to copy the first full prompt exactly as it is. After copying it, go to ChatGPT and paste the prompt into the chat box. Then click on the Generate button, and ChatGPT will provide you with 10 viral topic ideas. From those ideas, we will select one topic to create the full script for our skeleton educational video. You can choose any topic that you like, and if you are not satisfied with the suggestions, you can simply regenerate the response to receive 10 new topic ideas again. Now that you have selected your topic, the next step is to write a proper viral script for it. To do this, go back to the Google Doc and copy the second prompt provided there. After copying the prompt, return to ChatGPT and paste it into the chat box. Inside this prompt, you will see a section that says Insert Chosen Topic. Here, you need to paste the topic you selected from the list of ideas that ChatGPT generated earlier. Once you paste the topic into the correct place, click on the Generate button. ChatGPT will then create a complete viral script based on your selected topic. Using this script, we will create the full skeleton educational video from start to finish. Now, the next step is to generate images and video prompts based on the script you just created. To do this, go back to the Google Doc and copy the third prompt completely. After copying it, return to ChatGPT and paste the prompt into the chat box. Once you have pasted the third prompt, go back to the Google Doc again and scroll down. There you will see 2 example images that I have provided. These images show you the overall visual style you need to follow. Take a screenshot of each image one by one and save both of them to your device. After saving the images, return to ChatGPT. In the same chat box where you pasted the third prompt, click on the plus icon and upload both of the images. Then click on the Generate button. ChatGPT will ask you to provide a paragraph from your script. The paragraph you give it will be converted into an image prompt and a video prompt. To do this, scroll through your script and copy the specific paragraph you want to create visuals for. After copying the paragraph, paste it into the chat box and click on the Generate button. ChatGPT will then provide you with 2 outputs, an image prompt and a video prompt. For now, we will not use the video prompt. We will focus only on the image prompt and use it to generate the images for our skeleton educational video. Now, you need to copy the first image prompt that ChatGPT generated for you because we are going to use it for image creation. For both image generation and video generation, we will use the same website. The platform we are going to use is called Clippy AI. You will find the link in the description below. Click on the link, then sign up and log into your account. This website allows you to create viral YouTube shorts, TikTok videos, and Instagram reels. You can make would you rather videos, AI story videos, scary stories, educational content, and many other types of short-form videos. It is a complete platform for generating different styles of viral content. After clicking on Get Started Now, complete the sign-up process and log in. Once you are inside, the interface of Clippy AI will look something like a simple dashboard where you can start creating your video projects. From here, we will begin generating the images using the image prompt we copied earlier. When you log in, you will see multiple options on the left side of the dashboard, such as Home, My Projects, Media Library, AI Playground, Video Generator, Image Generator, Tools, and different templates, like AI Story Video, Roblox Rant, Tech Stories, Would You Rather, Reddit Video, AI Captions, Split Video, and AI Voiceover Video. From all these options, you need to click on AI Playground. Once you click on AI Playground, a submenu will open where you will see options like Video Generation, Image Generation, and Tools. Since we are starting with images, click on the Image Generation option. After clicking it, a simple blank box will appear on your screen. This is where you will generate your images. Now copy the first image prompt from the ChatGPT chat box and paste it into the prompt field inside the image generation section. After pasting the prompt, click on the Select Model option. You will see multiple AI image generation models available, such as Nano Banana, Flux, and Seedance. You can choose any model you prefer. For this example, select the Nano Banana model. Next, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, because we are creating vertical videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. After selecting the aspect ratio, simply click on the Generate button. Within a few seconds, your first high-quality skeleton image will be ready. Now that your first close-up image is ready, it's time to generate the second image. Go back to the ChatGPT and copy the second paragraph of your script. After copying it, paste it into the ChatGPT prompt box and click the Generate button. ChatGPT will then provide you with two outputs, an image prompt and a video action prompt. You only need to copy the image prompt. Once you have copied the image prompt, return to the image generation section on the Clippy AI website. Paste the prompt into the prompt box. Select your model if needed, make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16, and click the Generate button. Within a few seconds, your next image will be ready. You need to repeat this exact same process for each paragraph of your script. Every time, go back to ChatGPT, copy the next paragraph, paste it into the prompt box, click Generate, and then copy only the image prompt it provides. Then return to Clippy AI, paste the prompt, and generate the image. Continue doing this step by step until all your images are created. Once you finish generating all the images one by one, you will have all the visuals ready for your complete skeleton educational video. Once all your images are generated, the next step is very simple. You just need to click on the download button for each image and save them to your device one by one. Make sure you download all the images in the correct order so it will be easier when we start creating the final video. After downloading each image, check your folder to confirm they are saved properly. Once everything is downloaded, you are ready to move on to the next step of creating the complete video. For this, go back to the dashboard and click on the video option inside the AI Playground section. Once you click on it, a new interface will open in front of you. Here, first click on the Select Model button. You will see several video generation models available, such as VEO 3.1, VEO 3 Fast, Sora 2, and Seedance. From these options, choose VEO 3 Fast because it generates results quickly and works well for this type of content. After selecting the model, click on the aspect ratio option and choose 9:16, since we are creating vertical videos for Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. Next, click on the Upload button and upload your first generated image. Now you need the video action prompt. Go back to ChatGPT and find the video prompt that was generated under the same paragraph where you got the image prompt. Under each image prompt, ChatGPT also provided a video action prompt. Copy that video action prompt carefully. Then return to Clippy AI and paste the video action prompt into the prompt box. Make sure the correct image is uploaded that matches the prompt. Once everything is set correctly, simply click on the Generate button. Your first video clip will start rendering. Within about 20 to 30 seconds, your first video will be ready. You'll notice that the result looks smooth and high quality. Now you need to convert all your remaining images into videos by repeating the exact same steps. One by one, upload each image to Clippy AI in the video generation section. After uploading the image, go back to ChatGPT and copy the corresponding video action prompt that was generated for that specific paragraph. Then return to Clippy AI, Paste the video action prompt into the prompt box and click the Generate button. Repeat this process for every image until all your video clips are created. Make sure each image matches the correct video action prompt so the animation looks accurate and smooth. Once all your videos are generated, simply click on the download button for each clip and save them to your device one by one. After downloading all the clips, you will have every scene ready for the final editing step. Now the next step is to generate the voiceover using AI and then properly edit the final video. To create the voiceover, go to the 11 Labs website, sign up, and log into your account. After logging in, go to the text-to-speech section. Copy the full script that ChatGPT generated for you and paste it into the text box. On the right side, you will see different voice options. Choose any voice you like based on your video style, then click on the Generate button. Within a few seconds, your AI voiceover will be ready. Download the audio file to your device. For editing, open CapCut and click on the Import button. Import all the video clips you downloaded from Clippy AI along with the voiceover file you just created. After importing everything, first drag the voiceover onto the timeline and adjust it properly. Once the voiceover is placed correctly, start adding your video clips one by one above the audio track. Match each clip with the correct part of the voiceover and adjust their timing carefully on the timeline. If needed, you can trim clips, adjust their duration, or remove and add transitions according to your preference. You can also add captions, effects, or background music if you want to enhance the video further. Once everything looks good and is properly synced, click on the Export button. Your final skeleton educational video will then be saved to your device and ready to upload.